Hey Glam Fam, what's poppin'? How is everyone doing today? Welcome to all my newcomers. So look, let's jump into it because it looks great. It makes me feel great. It is great. So it is a orange cut crease with a little bit of green, some pink, and a deep red. I don't have a name for it, but I'm pretty sure I'll come up with something super creative. Yeah, I know I got some wacky names for my looks. Anyways, we have our glow. We have our blush, and we have our glossy lip. So, what y'all think about it? I know it's cute, right? So let's go ahead and get started. Starting out, our brows and our eyes have already been prepped, so we're just gonna go ahead and get started. Today we're using the Juvia's Place palette, the Zulu, and we're starting out with that bright orange. Now we're adding this orange to the top part of our lid. This would be the first color of many for this transitional base. Moving on, we're going for that dandelion yellow, and this time we're adding it above where we had that previous orange. So we're doing this because we want to go ahead and try to blend out that orange into the yellow. Now we're going to go ahead and cut our crease. This is a pure white concealer by Conceal, and we're going to add a little bit to the base of our eyes. Get as much product on as you can. You're going to look up, then you're going to go ahead and follow that line to cut your crease. Now I'm going in with the Morphe brush just to go ahead and flatten out that product and to make that line super sharp. Moving on, we're going for that shimmer lime green, and we're going to add this color to the inner corners of our eyes. Now we're going to move on to the Festivals palette by Juvia's Place, and we're going for that deep red. And when we add this red, we're adding it to the outside corners of the eye. So we have the green on the inside, and then we have the red on the outside. Moving on, we're switching to the Aurora Lights palette by BH Cosmetics, and we're going for that deep pink. When we add this pink, we're going to add kind of towards the middle, but more on the red side. We don't want it to take up the entire space because we still have another color to add, but this will help create a gradient from the red to that pink to the second color and then to that green. Now we're going in back to the Zulu palette, and we're going for that shimmer pink. And this color will be going into that blank space. We're blending into the colors, so we have the green, the pink shimmer, that deep pink into the red. Everything has to blend together. Basically what I'm doing here is I'm using my finger to really go ahead and strengthen each one of the colors, but also blend them into each other as well, because I didn't really do a good job that first time. So now we're going back into the Festivals palette and we're going for that Pegasus Silver Shimmer. And we're adding this on top of the middle colors because we wanted it to be sort of a halo effect. So we just need a little bit of that white to make it really reflective. So I'm pretty satisfied with how the eyeshadow build is coming along so far. So now we're going to go ahead and do our eyeliner wing. This is a standard black liquid eyeliner. So this is what everything looks like so far. It's really nice. I'm really satisfied. So I'm going to go ahead and do my face process and I'll be back with you guys in a minute. Bam! And we're back. So we have done our foundation, our glow, our blush. Now we're just going to go ahead and finish the look. First, we're going to go ahead and add some eyeliner to our waterline. This time I'm using the 24/7 Glide On by Urban Decay. This is again a standard black eyeliner pencil. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and switch back to the Festivals palette. We're going to go back to that deep red, and this time we're going to add it to underneath our lashes, right? Because we want to bring everything together. Then we're going to go ahead and we're going to start to add the highlight to our face. Again, this is the Kiss Professionals Shimmer palette. It's a single color and it's really nice. We're just going to go ahead and add this to our inner tear duct areas, and then we're going to add a little bit to our nose before we move on to our eyeliner. This is the LA Colors, again, standard black liquid liner. And here we're going to the inner tear ducts again to really accentuate that feline looking eyeliner wing. Moving on to the lips, this is the Decay Scarlet Shimmer Gloss, and we're going to add a little bit of that. This is a really, really beautiful color. Such a nice look. I love it. Now we're moving on to the Diamond Gloss, and this color is Glitz. Again, this is by AOA Studios. This is the finished look. Ladies, let me know what you think about it in the comments. Do you like it? Would you wear it? Of course, yes. Go ahead and join the family, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you ladies in the next one.